How to hide reader mode button on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide reader mode button on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings and scroll down until you find this one, useful features. Click on it and here you will find it, show reader mode button, and if you want to hide it, all you need to do is just click on it here, and as you see, show reader mode button have been turned off, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.